You may open it.
Go, Cameron.
Think about it.
What are they for?
Exactly. What are they for?
What are they for?
Decorations? Nathan!
Come here, Nathan. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Cameron. Cameron, buddy, come here.
What?
Come
Why
here.
did it give us pink and blue?
Because we don't know if it's going to be a boy or a girl yet.
Mom's pregnant?
Cameron, come here.
Cameron, you just missed out.
Oh my gosh!